Alright guys, Matt Carver here, and we're going to do a walk through the new house. So as soon as I walk in the door, I have this ugly ass kitchen. So what's going to happen in this room is, over in this corner is actually going to be the new laundry room, the new bathroom, and the kitchen is now gone. We're going to be taking the kitchen and we're going to be building it out here in the garage, because the garage is now going to become part of the house. Since it is attached to the house, I'm going to make it a kitchen. It's going to be pretty huge, with a little dining room, little door out to a deck on the left side there in that corner, as you can see. I'm pointing at. And we go back in, and we have the living room. As you can see, it's not too bad. It's mostly just going to get a new coat of paint. And then this part of the living room is actually going to be closed off. Fireplace is gone. I hate fireplaces. It's natural gas, so it'll probably get sold to some lucky bugger. And this is going to be a bedroom. So this will be bedroom number 4. Then we're going to take a walk, and this door here will now actually become an entrance. We're going to put a roof outside on it. It's hard to see through the window, but I'll show you that later. And we're going to go upstairs. And yes, I am not touching the damn stairs because I painted the last ones and I'm never doing it twice. So, top of the stairs is a little window, hard to see. Alright, so there it is. So this window is actually going to be gone completely. I'm just going to drywall that in, slide it outside, be done. And here is the most ugliest piece of crap I've ever seen in my life. The bathroom. And check this out, guys. As I say, not my job. You can't even open the frickin' door, man. Like, who the hell does a bathroom like this? So, toilet will now be changed and it'll be put over here. Cabinet will be moved down. And we have a cloth tub, which I may reuse because it's been redone. So I may reuse it. The back wall that the tub's against is actually going to be pushed out into the bedroom to give me more room in here so I can get the toilet away from this damn door. And we're going to go down the hallway. We're going to go into the first bedroom upstairs. Alright, so we have a little bit of ceiling damage. My favorite, lasting goddamn plaster. So all the ceilings upstairs are going to be re-drywalled. And the walls are just mostly going to be painted and touched up. And for once, unlike my last house, we actually have closets. I had to build every closet in the last house. So then we're going to go down to the next bedroom. And as you can see, the guy worked for Tim Hortons, so he used these old Tim Hortons signs and just plastered them all over the freaking house. So I've been down here today, ripping them all out, drawing up my floor plan for to get my permits. But we have another closet, which is nice. Now I'm happy about the closets because, you know, I don't want to build another one. And all these old crappy windows are all going to be changed. The old fireplace will be taken out. Lazy pricks never do it. I found 2 in the last house. And then here's the third small bedroom. Now this might become an office. It's a little small for a bedroom. It's only 8'2" by 8'9". So it may be changed out. So that's pretty much the whole outlay of the house. So like my garage is 23'9" by 12'1", so it's a lot of room for the new kitchen and dining room. And then we'll have a deck out onto it. Alright, so I'm gonna go up this main door here, well, onto, if I can open it. Oh, bloody skeleton keys, man. Still opening doors. Awesome. So, yes. Oh. So, that roof is going to be coming down. And there's going to be a proper one built to suit the patio here. And then over in that corner, it's going to be the deck off the kitchen. And as you can see, it's going to be all new siding, right? Because, yeah, it's ugly and still brick. So, I'll be starting my demolition here on the 15th because I don't want to take a week off, man. I had a rough go in the last house. So, we're just getting my truck empty, bringing all my tools over. just checking things out, getting measurements, and like I said, I got to drop my floor plan so I can get my permits. So I've just been doing measurements and drawing up the floor plan. So now I'm going to go over to see the inspector and apply for my permits for my plumbing and electrical renovation permit. So we'll see how today goes. And we'll be back on the 15th, and I'll show you the house when we get started.